Now in this session we are going to talk about the flash fill function, which is in the home tab in the editing group. Here we will see the flash fill, and it is a very interesting function. We can do a lot of interesting things. So let's begin and explore the different functionalities of the flash fill function. So friends, what we have done here is I've taken some first names, some middle names, and some last names. Okay, so now if I want to bring all these three together, if I want to write a name where I want to have the first name, last name, middle name, and the last name, so what I can do here is I'll just type the first Tanvi Prasad Sharma, right? I wrote this here, and now I'll just select this data and I'll press the shortcut for flash fill, or I can go here and click here. If I can keep here, you can see the shortcut is control plus E for elephant, control E. Or if I press on the flash fill, you'll see that it has joined everything in the cells. Now here we have data for only 16 cells, but even if it is 16,000 or 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, it will do with a flash. In a second, you'll be able to get the results as per your choice, right? So friends, suppose if I am looking for only the first name and the last name, I am writing here Tanvi and I write here Sharma, right? I write here Tanvi Sharma and I go down, control E, control, I select everything and I press the shortcut control E. So you can see that I got the first name and the last name. If I want to do first name and middle name, can I do that? Of course I can do it. Tanvi Prasad. Tanvi Prasad. Shift, control down arrow, side arrow, control shift up arrow, and control E. I got this. Suppose I want to write Tanvi P Sharma. Tanvi. I write Tanvi and P and Sharma. I keep my cursor here, control down arrow, go to the last cell, right arrow, control shift up to select everything, and control E the shortcut. So I have got here Yes J Bhardwaj. So I'm able to convert it into whatever way I want to write. If I want to write the last name first, can I do that? If I want to write Sharma Tanvi, I can write Sharma and I can write Tanvi, Sharma Tanvi, and I'll just keep my cursor here, control down arrow, sideways, control shift up and control E. So here I have been able to put the last names for everybody: Gupta Tanya, Patel Nisha, Chakravarti Tushar, all the names reversed. So in whichever way I want to put the names, if I've got the first, middle and the last in different columns, and in one column I want to bring in whichever format I want, I can just type the first one, go to the last cell, select the all the cells in which I want to replicate it and press the shortcut control E, or I can just go here and click on flash fill and I'll be able to write the name in any way. Even if I want to change the way that it looks like, for example, if I want to write the first name in all caps locks, Tanvi, and then this in proper, Tanvi Sharma. Okay, I take control down arrow, go down, control shift up arrow, control E, and you'll see that for all the names it has taken the first part in uppercase and the second part in the proper case. So in whatever way you want to write the text, even if you want to have a connector between them, for example, if I want to have a dash between them, so I can write Tanvi and I can put a dash and I want to write Sharma, Tanvi Sharma. So I can put a delimiter in between. Let me try this. Control E and I have got a delimiter in between. So whatever you want to do with the names, if it is written in 3 different cells, you want to replicate it in any number of cells, it can do in a flash, in a second. It just goes to the right ways direction, sorry, in the left direction, tries to figure out and study the trend, what you are trying to do. And once it is able to figure out, it will generate the same result in all the cells below. So this is very, very interesting function. We will see other functionalities also for this.